Okay.
This first one is nice, eh?
It is. The National Library of Jamaica will be hosting the launch of inspiring Antarctica experience, a Jamaican on ice. It's an event that comprises several art forms, including a photo exhibit, book launches, and a film by Jamaican author and filmmaker Judith Fallon Reed. I think Judith used to be in banking, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, she traveled to Antarctica in February 2007, and she went with a team of journalists. So her journey took her to Buenos Aires for several days before going on to Ushuaia, I think it's pronounced, the southernmost city in the world, from where she boarded a ship to cross the Drake Passage and onto the continent. And I quote, "As a writer and avid traveler, I believe there's more education to be had in the experiences gained during travel than one will ever read about in a book."
Nice. Launch is going to be followed by Students' Day on February 13. Scores of students from the corporate area have been invited to meet, view the exhibit and film, as well as engage in discussion about climate change. The main exhibit will remain at the National Library for a month while she takes a smaller exhibit on tour around the island, and then it will travel to various cities in the U.S., beginning with Lauderhill and Palm Bay in Florida. So that's, I was going to say, that's pretty cool. No pun intended.
That's pretty cold, pun intended.
Yeah.
All right.
This one is also great news right now.
Yeah, fantastic. Alia Atkinson named to UANA Technical Committee. It's the Union Americana de Nación. She's a four-time Olympian, and she will serve on the Technical Swimming Committee. 6 other athlete members were also named to serve on various technical committees. She just continues to do great things.
Yeah, she's one, as you said, of 6 athletes chosen because of their devotion, hard work, and capability to serve the aquatic sports in our region, in which have obviously already made a great impact. This really is an honor, because it's one thing to be an athlete and competing for yourself, but when the sport recognizes you as someone who actually is going to represent all athletes.
She's an amazing athlete. She's an amazing person.
Yeah.
She deserves every single thing that she's got so far, and almost everything she's got, she's earned from what she's done in and out of the pool.
Yes.
All right. This kind of becoming a little soap opera.
I don't know why people never expected it, though.
Yeah, Harry and Meghan.
Because Meghan is clearly not an ordinary person.
Yep.
So Prince Harry and his wife have announced that they're stepping back from major royal duties and would be partially relocating to North America. Yeah.
So and they apparently the Queen and everyone else is saying they didn't know about this. They read it in the news.
That's why
some people are also saying that Miss Markle could mash up the royalty.
Me to tell you.
Because she caused a rift between the two brothers. What else somebody said she do?
She and Kate now get along.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if that's true.
And then now them say no, them pull the boss from the monarchy.
But you know, Meghan had like a larger than life before marrying Harry as a big actress and so on. And I kind of wondered, would she really just step away from all of that to walk behind Harry and wave and do charity? And so in this 24, and she's always been a feminist, you know. They kind of had to take down all her social media pages. So I didn't know how long that was going to last. But this is cool. I mean, Harry has a great personality.
Yeah. And they said they intend to step back from frontline royalty and would attempt to become financially independent. And it says currently their work and running costs are funded by Harry's father, Prince Charles.
Right.
They say they will continue to support Queen Elizabeth and honor their duties to her, the Commonwealth, and their patronages, indicating that they're not fully quitting. They say they're going to launch a new charitable entity and spend much of their time in North America. Well, there you go.
They were expecting them to take a bigger role, by the way, as the expectation is that Queen Elizabeth will continue to scale back her duties and Charles would eventually become king,
Yep.
and then William. But let's see how it goes. I mean, the world changes, so let's see how this works out. I know the Londoners can't be happy about it.
I like meet him.
Harry?
Yeah, I like meet Harry.
When?
Next time come Jamaica. I was close to the last time he
a
came.
specific date, because I was going to call him and tell him, but
I didn't know
if you
you
don't
and him
have a
that close.
specific
I didn't
date,
know you and him that close.
tell me what date.
Yeah, I shall.
And we'll work on it for
I
you.
shall.
Right.
When he came here up at the stadium with you saying,
Yeah.
I was close enough to meet him.
Yeah.
We
But
couldn't
again, Harry never wants to meet you. Let me know when it's convenient. Okay.
You respond?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Him not have you on speed dial.
Well, with all that's happening, he might be able to listen.